Hello and welcome to the end of this section. Now, at this step, you can go and create your different hosts and create your different virtual machine, install the operation system, install the application, then add the VMware tool inside each of those virtual machine, and now you can control your host easily with the different option that is available in your host. But another feature that we're going to see it in the next section is when you create more than one host. As you will see here, I create two hosts as our lab will going to work with two hosts. So we have the host ESXi1 with the IP address number 10 and a second host ESXi2 with the IP address 20. Now as I have two hosts, and of course, in your real environment, you will have more than two hosts, maybe 5, 10, 20, etc. Every time when you want to manage your hosts, when you want to do a task for a virtual machine or create virtual machine, delete it, set up the application, anything that you want to do in any of your virtual machine, you need to open a new tab in your browser and connect to the host that contains that virtual machine and log in with the root and the password. Then you can manage your virtual machine or your host from that tab. And of course, when you want to work with another virtual machine in another host, you need to back to the preview host and do the work. Also, when you want, for example, to move a virtual machine from this host, the number 10, to second host, you can't do it. You can just do it with the classical mode with export as OVF and then upload it in the other machine, and this is very difficult. Also, you don't have the height availability, you don't have more feature of the VMware to make your environment stable, and there are a lot of feature. It's about 18% of the feature that you need to do it, but you can't do it in this situation with connecting to the host directly one by one. So for that, there are another very important tool from the VMware called it VMware vCenter Server. In the next section, we'll start working with the vCenter Server that will let us do more than 80% of the feature that VMware give us to manage our environment with efficiency and more professional. So see you in the next section to know more about the vCenter server.